Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You ever observed a little bit change? That a healthy person can enjoy every meal at any time. On the other hand, everyone advised a person who is not healthy that not eat this. This food not good for you, leave all. However, reality is something else, tedious and without taste meals not compulsory for patient to must eat. Patients require fabulous and curing meal in morning which provides strength, help to become fine early and keep them fresh and healthy throughout the day. That's why in today's video, I'll explain easy, delicious and doctors recommended breakfast meal plan which patient eats securely without any tension. So be with me till end because meal number 5 more dominant curing breakfast which every doctor's choice. So we shall begin our today video. Let's start. Number 1 At number 1 is oatmeal mix of fruits. Oatmeal mix with fruits ideal for patient who lack power and stamina, patient suffering heart issue, patient suffering from diabetes. How it works: digest quickly, slowly, provides power to body, maintain diabetics issue under control. Recipe: take warm water or fresh warm milk, then insert oat inside. Use berry, banana, apple, strawberry. If you want then can add little bit nut inside. 2 Oatmeal with fruits keep body energetic and make digestion system powerful. Number 2 At number 2 is vegetable soup. This good for sickness, fight viruses, helps to recover body after operation, make stomach healthy. Recipe: first boil carrot, broccoli, potato. Use mixture or blender for these vegetables. Use black peppers and salt how much you require. Try to use little bit. Vegetable soup provides vitamin, mineral and strength. Number 3 At number 3 is boil egg. Best for solve sleeping issues, tiredness, gain power and stamina. Why beneficial? High grade protein inside egg. Provide excellent power. Make body strong enough to become fine early. Use with bread or roti then more good. Number 4 At number 4 is mixture of yogurt, honey and fruits. Best for better digestion, gut problems, antibiotics cure. How it beneficial? Bacteria in yogurt makes stomach healthy, digestion system improve. Recipe: banana, strawberries or berries, 1 tablespoon honey. Easy also comforting, simple and soothing. Number 5 At number 5 is a smoothie make of banana with peanuts, margarine. This also called as curing beverage and very healthy, full of power. Breakfast for patient. Best for tiredness, craving problem, recovery after sickness, give nutrients and vitamins. Recipe: 1 banana, 1 tablespoon peanut, margarine, 1 cup fresh milk. You can also use yogurt if milk not available. Mix well and enjoy this super healthy drink. Benefits: proteins, beneficial fat, vitamin, immediately provide power. Very delicious and powerful breakfast this is. And it tastes very delicious. Number 6 At number 6 is dry fruits, dates mix with milk. Best for old people, digestion issues. Best for those who feels tired in morning. 6 soft upma or porridge. Recipe: use grind 1 tablespoon fresh dry fruits, not too much, 2 or 3 dates, but slice of dates, 1 cup fresh milk, blend properly, not use sugar, and drink. Number 7 At number 7 is avocado bread. Best for patient who suffering heart problem, cure blood pressure, diabetics issue. Recipe: puree avocado, use lemon and slight salt. Use this on brown bread. Benefits: avocado has lots of beneficial fat, fibers, potassium. This breakfast is super healthy for heart issue solution. Final remarks: thus buddies, I discussed 7 best powerful and affordable breakfast meal idea for patient. All these breakfast ideas full of power, vitamins, minerals, potassium. nutrients and easy to make, which helps the patients to become healthy and conquer diseases. Every patient just need to follow doctor advice. Healthy meal plan, especially best breakfast to cure diseases and be fit. If you find out this video helpful and informative, then please subscribe my channels, like, share, comments and hit the bell icon to get my health videos. Be healthy, strong and smile. See you in next video.